Now, cholesterol looks like a linosterol, as you can see, but you can also see that it's not a simple process of getting from linosterol to cholesterol. This process requires 19 steps to go from one to the other, and this 19-step process is very energy requiring and demanding. So that early regulation by the HMG-CoA reductase is a very important consideration. Cholesterol, if it accumulates, as I noted, will inhibit its own synthesis. Now, cholesterol is an important component of membranes. If we look at our brain, if you were to dry the tissue down, contains 14% by weight of cholesterol. Cholesterol is very important, and it's one of the reasons why our body needs and is using cholesterol, because we don't have it in our body simply to cause problems, which it is also associated with. So cholesterol in our bodies is there by three different mechanisms. First, our cells can synthesize it, as I noted, and it can also be stored in the body. And the way that cholesterol is stored is by linking it to a fatty acid in an ester bond through the hydroxyl group on the lower left. Then cholesterol can be called upon and used in the body as necessary. The third way in which cholesterol is in our bodies is through dietary means. And it's those dietary means that can be big variables in how much cholesterol a person gets in. A person who has high cholesterol, when they talk to their doctor, the doctor will usually take as a first step in trying to treat that, changing the dietary intake of the person to see if they can in some way alter the cholesterol levels as a result of that. For some people, that's all it takes. For others, more aggressive means may be required. Now, one of the reasons we worry about cholesterol is because it's implicated in atherosclerosis. And atherosclerosis has obviously some very important implications, and monitoring cholesterol levels is a very essential part of a modern health regime. The precursor, cholesterol is the precursor of steroid hormone and bile acids. So the steroid hormones are made from cholesterol, as are the bile acids. And of course, as we will see, these play important functions as well. And last, cholesterol, like fat, is very water insoluble, which means that it can't just go in the bloodstream and travel freely. Instead, it must move in the bloodstream through what are called lipoprotein complexes. And these lipoprotein complexes have names called LDLs, IDLs, VLDLs, and HDLs, and the DL part stands for density lipoprotein, and the L, I, V, and H stand for low, intermediate, very low, and high. So monitoring these as part of a cholesterol monitoring scheme is a very important consideration. LDLs, as we will see, are considered the bad cholesterol, and there's good reason for that.